to watch another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. I also have my Amazon storefront link down below. I am so excited, as it has all the wigs that I have reviewed, so do check that out. And now, let's get inspired by a wig from Sapphire Wigs. I love Sapphire Wigs. I have done a few reviews for them right here. I'll leave the links down below for those. And this one I am so excited to do, because this is a freedom parting. Yes, do not adjust your TV screens, because this is a 13x6 lace front wig. Oh my gosh, I just said it. Yes. Also, is this a freedom parting, but as well as a pre-plucked hairline? I mean, has this been set from above? I think so. I do have this in this gorgeous ivory color. First, let's just take a look at that ivory color. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. It is like the lightest beige honey. What I like about it is that it is pretty neutral, but it just has a little bit of warmth to it. I feel like it would go with a lot of different skin tones, which is really nice. Also, the hair fibers are extremely soft, and as you can see, like, no tangles. Yes, I just took it out of the package, but this is really incredible. So I really, really love it. She is a long one, and she does have some very long layers, as you can see right here, which is pretty great. Makes it look a little bit more natural, if you will, right there. So let's get into the real topic of conversation. This 13x6, oh my gosh, I cannot even handle it, lace front. Look at that. Wow. Let's talk about as well with the construction. She does have 4 combs. She has 2 combs right here, 1 comb way back here in the middle, and of course she does have the 1 comb back with the fasteners, and then she does have lace in the back too. So if you do want to do like an up pony or pull it up, you definitely have that lace back there. But let's just take a little look at the rest of it. She has a medium cap, so she would be large head friendly if you do need that. This wig comes with 2 wig caps, which is super exciting. So as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go and rocking her out. I will be using a nude wig cap that I actually got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99, deal of the century. So I put my wigs on front to back, so I'm just gonna back it up a little bit. Woo! Wow, look at this girl. I'm gonna have to come up to the camera so you can take a look at this incredible hairline. So like I mentioned, she would do really great if you glued her down. So let's just take a look at that. Wow. Pretty incredible, right? So let's actually cut off the lace really quick. And wow, just like that, she is ready for gluing. I actually decided that I'm going to glue her down so you can get a real idea of how amazing she is, because why not? I will be using, of course, the 2 holy grail of securing your wigs down, the Got to Be Glues, that's also on my Amazon storefront. So let's start off and let's just get her glued down. Let's put her back on. Ooh, and just like that, I have glued her down. So exciting. Let's take a look at the length right here. So she is definitely at the 24-inch mark right here, which is nice and long. She definitely has this great color. Not only does she come in this color, but she comes in so many different colors. It's very exciting. Definitely check it out. But let's move her around with this whole freedom parting. So let's just put her this way. See what kind of look she gives. And then what I would probably do with her, because she is such a long wig, I'd probably just use some thinning shears and just kind of lighten her up just a little bit right here. Just give her a little bit of texture. But here she is, just whipping her to the one side. Okay, now let's move her this way. So again, this wig is from Sapphire Wigs. It is their brand new Big Lace Freedom Parting Collection. So it's so exciting. And like I mentioned, this wig comes in lots of colors, so do check that out. So let me know if you have any of these Freedom Parting wigs. I would love to know and to see you in them. So do reach out to me on Instagram. That's a great way for you to send me pictures of you wearing your wigs and your amazing looks. I absolutely love when I see you being as fabulous as you can be. So let's all be fabulous together, because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in a freedom parting ivory blonde dream, wear it, love it, and own it. And I want to thank you and